Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about union of sets. For this, let us consider two set. Suppose set A that has the elements 4, 2 and 1, and we have another set that has the element 3 and 5. Now, what does the word union means? Union means all the elements from these two sets or any element that is present either in the first set or in the second set or in both the sets. So, here is the formal definition. Union of sets contain the elements those are either in first set or in second set or in both. And how do we denote union of two sets? We denote union of two sets by this. This is the sign of union. Here we have example. A is a one set which has the element 1, 2, 3, and 5. B is another set that has the element 3, 4, and 8. And what will be A union B? So, according to the definition, all the elements that are either in the first set, so all this element will be inside A union B, or in the second set, that means all the elements of B will be inside A union B, or the elements that is there in both the sets. Now, what is that element that is situated in A and B? This is only 3, right? So A union B will consist each of the elements from the two sets A and B. So this is the A union B set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So it contains all the elements that presents in the first set or in the second set or in both the sets. Here is another example. Here, the first set A has red, blue, and green, and the second set B has white, gray, and pink. So, what will be A union B? All the elements of these two sets. So, that will be red, blue, green, white, gray, and pink. So, this is the A union B denotes. Now, what will be the Venn diagram of union? for this portion, that union of two sets, here A represents set A, B represents set B. Now union means all elements from both the sets. So this shaded region, all the shaded region denotes us the union of two sets. Here we have three sets, that is A, B, and C. So all this shaded region represents the union. This shaded region represents union of three sets. In case of three set, what will be A union B union C? If A is 10, 12, 11, B is 50, 45, C is 50 and 11, then what is A union B union C? That is all the elements from these three sets. So 10, 11, 12, 50, 45 from B, and look at C. The elements in C already exists in B and A, so we need not to write them again. So this represents A union B union C, union of three sets. So this is the concept of union. I think you have clear idea now that what is union of two sets or three sets. That's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.